press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello my dear students, today I am going to start with the summary of the chapter Changes Around Us. See, changes is nothing but the transformation of one thing into the other is called as changes, and it is one of the law of the nature, and this changes will be taking place continuously in our nature, and this is the brief introduction about the changes. Next we shall move on to the effects of changes. A changes has been takes place if any of the following effects can be seen, then only we can say that a change has taking place in the nature and in the surrounding, in which first one is the change in the color. See, change in the color is one of the example of a effect of a change, where the raw mango which is green in color and it is converted into ripened mango, then we can say that the change has been taking place in such thing, and this is one of the example of a effects of a change. Next one is the change in the size. Usually growth and development will be seen in children. See, children when they growing up, there is a growth as well as the development will be taking place. This is one of the effect where we can say that change in the size will taking place. In our body also we can see there are number of changes. If we eat the food, it will digest. See, this is one of the example of a change, and also growing of the nail is one of the example of a change in size. Next we shall move on to the change in the shape. See, if we look at the moon at night for few days, we can see that there is a changes will be occur in moon. First it will enters the stage of a new moon, and later it will be the gibbous moon and the half moon, and simultaneously it will changes into the full moon. See, this is one of the example of a effects of a change in the shape, and it is one of the example also. See, change in the shape is the effects of a change. Next one is the change in the position. See, change is in the position where we can say that the hand in the clock will be movement will be takes place after each interval of the time. The hand in the clock will be moved from 1 hour, 2 hour, like that. Each hour the clock the hands will be moved, and this is the effects of change in the position. Next one is the change in the physical state. See, change in the physical state, as we all know that ice is, if we kept the ice in a plate, it will melt soon, and later if we heat the water, then it will convert it into water vapor. See, this is one of the example of a or effect of a change which we seen in day-to-day life. And next one is the change in the hardness. Usually the batter of a cake is soft in nature. When we bake it, the cake will be hard. The softness will be converted into hardness, and this is the change. Next we shall move on to the types of changes. See, there are number of changes which are taking place in the nature, and these changes can be categorized into many types, in which first one is the natural change as well as the man-made change. Those changes which are brought about by the nature are called as natural changes. Example for the natural changes are season. See, we can see that winter season, autumn season, spring season, and also the summer season. There are different seasons will be there. We can see in nature. It is a natural phenomenon which is taking place in the nature itself. And the turning of the day and night is one of the example of a natural change. Next one is the man-made change. Man-made change is one of the example of a burning of paper is one of the example of a man-made change, where man those changes which is brought about by the man is called as man-made change. Burning of the paper and the cooking of the food items is one of the examples of a man-made change. And the next one is the slow and the fast changes. Some of the changes occur in the nature is slow form, whereas some changes are very fast form, and in which first one is the milk set milk sets into around 3 hours to set into the curd, and this is one of the example of a slow change. And one more change is there. One revolution of earth around the sun, it takes 1 year. This one is this slow change. And the growing of the children is it takes the several years to become a adult human being. And the fast changes which are so fast that we can't even measure the time taken. Example of this fast changes are bursting of the balloon and the breaking of the glass and lighting of the matchstick. These are few examples for the fast changes. Next we shall move on to the periodic and non-periodic changes. Movement of the bob is one of the periodic change which is continuously taking place at each interval. These repeatedly it will takes place, and this is called a periodic change. The change which is repeated themselves after each interval of the time is called as periodic change. And the non-periodic changes examples are disaster, and the various types of disaster are the example of a non-periodic change. Next one is the desirable change and the undesirable change. Those changes which we want them to happen and it is very useful are called as desirable change. Example is the growing of the plant is one of the example of a desirable change which we want them to happen. Next one is the ripening of the fruit is one of the desirable change. Dry cloths to become wet cloths to become dry, which one is a desirable change which we want them to happen. Next one is the undesirable change. Those changes which we do not want them to happen and which is very harmful to us. For example, accidents are the undesirable changes, and various types of disasters like volcano, earthquake, floods, drought, these are the undesirable change. And here spoiling of the food is one of the example of a undesirable change. This spoiling of the food we can make it into useful one, that is desirable one, by keeping the food items in a refrigerator or any container, so that we can make use of a desirable thing. Next one is the physical change as well as the chemical change. Those changes which are taking place in the nature. Say physical change, here no new substance will be formed and the properties remain same as it is. These are called as physical change. For example, burning of the candle. See, after burning the candle, ash is obtained. Here ash is obtained means chemical change is taking place. But how physical change means, after burning the candle, if we light up the candle also, then again it will light up. It will convert it into another one candle. See, this is one of the example of a physical change. Next one is the chemical change. Chemical change, here new products will be obtained and substance will be changed. Properties also changed and also the substance will be formed. Example of these changes are cooking food is one of the example. Next one is the reversible change as well as the irreversible change. Those changes which can be reversed are called as reversible change. Example is the dough. See here, dough we can make it into chapati by rolling the dough. See, again we can make into dough. See, this is one of the example of a reversible change. And the balloon, if we fill up the air into the balloon, it will increases its size and thereby it will inflate it. And if we remove the air from the balloon, it will come back to the original size. Example is the, see, balloon, and here it comes back to the original position, and this is the balloon of the, and this is the inflated balloon. Next we shall move on to the irreversible change. Here irreversible changes are those changes which we can't reverse back to the original things. Example of this one is the burning of the paper. See, during the burning process, if we take the paper, if we burn it, slowly it will start burning. Later ash is obtained, and this ash we can't make into original paper. See, this is how we can say that irreversible change, in which burning of the paper is one of the example of a irreversible change. Here property also different. Properties is nothing but the size, appearance, shape will be different. Changes will be taking place in the property. In the irreversible change only these properties can be changed. Next we shall move on to the effects of changes. See, there are various types of effects of changes will be there, in which effects of heat on the changes. Heat is one of the form of energy. If we heat the substance, the changes will be occur and these substance will be changed. And here example for the, see, change in the size of an object on heating, in which one of the example is the railway track. Have you observed railway track? See, there are gap will be there in between the two rails, so that during the summer season when the bright light falls on those track, it will expand, and during the winter season it will come back to the original position. So that's why there is a gap will be taking place in the railway track. And how the effects will be taking place when we heat up into the metal. See, for example, lock and key. See, if we heat the key, it won't be fixed into the lock, and if we cool it, the key, it will come back to the original position and original size, and thereby it is fixed up into the lock. And this is the one of the example of a change in the metal. And when the metal rim is heated, it will expand. Thereby we can easily fix the wooden wheel of a cart into the metal rim. And next one is the pan, frying pan or any other pan. Usually the pan is made up of a metal, and thereby plastic or wooden things will be fixed up into these frying pan, and so that the frying pan will be fixed easily. On heating only the metals items or the metal things will be expand, and on cooling it will contracts, or it will come back to the original position. See, next one is the change in the hardness of an object. Usually blacksmith beating an iron article, these iron articles beaten, and on heating the iron articles will be form a very smooth surface will be formed, and on heating the metal items will be very soft, until the red hot they will heat it, and later they will beaten with the hammer, and thereby they can change into any desirable way. Next one is the change in the physical state of a substance. See, change in the physical state of a substance, in which we can see the ice is converted into the water, and thereby water can convert it into the gaseous form by heating. And in the reverse manner, if we cool the water vapor, by the process of condensation it will come back to the water, and later if the water is freezes, then it will come back to the original ice as a ice cubes. See, this is one of the example of a change in the physical state of a substance. See, once again I will tell you. See, effects of changes, in which first effect is the change in color. If raw mango is converted into ripened mango, then we can say that the change will be occur. Here the green color will be converted into yellow color, we can say that the change will be taking place. And the change in the size, this is one of the example of a effect of a change, and also example where the growth and development of a children is a example of a change in the size. Next one is the change in the shape. Change in the shape, we can say that every few days when we look at the moon, we can say that the changes will be taking place in the shape. First it will enter the stage of a new moon, and later the gibbous moon, half moon, and the full moon will be takes place, and this is one of the example of a change in shape. And next one is the change in the position. After each interval of the time, the hand in the clock will be changes its position, and thereafter the position will be changed, and this is one of the effect. And here change in the physical state, as I told you, ice is get converted into water, and thereby water is get converted into water vapor. This is one of the physical change. And next one is the batter. See, batter is usually soft in nature. When we bake this batter, it will become hardness. See, this is one of the change in hardness. Next one is the types of changes. There are number of changes which are taking place in the nature, and these changes can be categorized into many more types, in which first one is the natural change and the man-made change. See, natural changes are those changes which are brought about by the nature, like spring season, autumn season, and winter season, summer season. These are the seasons which are taking place in throughout the year. Turning of the day and night and alternation of day and night is one of the example of a natural change. And man-made change is example is the burning of the paper. See, burning of the paper is one of the example of a man-made change, where under our control these changes can be taking place. We can control those changes. See, next one is the cooking of the food, and next one slow and the fast change. Some of the changes which are slow in nature, and example is the milk sets into curd. It takes around 3 hours to set into a curd, and rotating of one revolution of the earth around the sun, it takes 1 year, and growing of the children, it will take the around several years to become an adult man. And fast changes are those changes which we can't even measure the time taken. Example of these changes are balloon, bursting of the balloon, and the breaking of the glass, and lighting of the matchstick. These are the changes which are taking place in the nature very fast. And next one is the periodic and non-periodic change. Periodic changes are those changes which are repeated themselves after each interval of the time. Example is the movement of the bob in the fixed point. See, this is the example of a changes. Next one is the non-periodic changes. Example of these non-periodic changes are disaster, and the next one is the change in the desirable change and the undesirable change. Those changes which we want them to happen and which are useful to us. These are the example of a desirable change. Growing of the plant and the ripening of the fruit is one of the example of a desirable change. And wet cloths to become dry one is one of the desirable change. And undesirable changes example is the accidents where we don't want them to happen and which are very harmful to us, and various types of disasters like volcano, earthquake, floods, drought, etc. And the spoiling of the food is one of the example of a undesirable change which we can make it into desirable one by keeping the food items in the refrigerator and by taking care of such food items. And a physical change and the chemical change, those changes which don't remains as it is, and the properties will not be changed and the substance will not formed here. Example of this one is the burning of the candle, and next one is the cooking of the food is one of the example of a chemical change where new substance will be formed. And next one is the reversible and irreversible change, those changes which can be reversed back to its original size and virginal position. Example is the dough. First we take the dough and make it into a chapati, rolled chapati. By using the roller we can get back to the original chapati and original dough also. See, this is one of the example of a reversible change. And here if we fill up the air into the balloon sizes will increases, and if we remove the air from the balloon it will come back to the original position or original size. Next one is the irreversible change. Irreversible change are those changes where new properties are formed, and here these changes can't be reversed back to original size or original change. Burning of the paper. Then next one is the effects of heat on changes. See, heat is one of the form of energy. If we heat the substance, changes will be occur. And here in which first heading is the change in the size of an object on heating. See here, in two rails between a gap will be present, and these gaps which helps the rails to expand. During the summer season these metal track will be expanded, and on winter season it will come back to the original position and original size. So that's why usually gap will be made in such rails. And lock and key is one of the example of a change. See, if we heat the key, it won't be fixed into the lock. When it cools, it will easily fix into the lock. See, this is how we can say that heat will takes place in the metal items. And the metal rim is one of the example of a heat. Contraction as well as the expansion will be takes place. On heating the metal rim, it will expanded, and thereby we can easily fix the wooden wheel of a cart into the metal rim, and on cooling it will fix up into completely, and this is one of the example. And here a pan which is made up of a metal, and if we try to fit into the metal with the help of a handle which are made up of a plastic or wood, it is very difficult to fit, and so that if we heat the pan, and thereby we can easily fit, due to the expansion of the pan heat will be takes place. And blacksmith usually beat an iron nail with the hammer on heating to red hot to the metal, so that they will beaten into hammer and makes the changes any desirable one. And here changes in the physical state of a substance, where ice is get converted into water, and thereby water can be converted into gaseous form. This is how we can say that change in the physical state. Now we can say that changes has been categorized into many more types on one particular substance. For example, burning of the paper. Burning of the paper is a chemical change, irreversible change, also the fast change. See, like that many more examples are there, which we can say that burning of the paper, by using different types of categories of the changes will be taking place in the burning of the paper. See, this is all about the summary of the chapter changes around us. Thank you.